Hi again, you guys. All right, here's the next part that we're going to do. So now we're going to take that y equals mx plus b, the first name and the last name, and we're going to write the entire name of these things that are found in the tables. It's the same information. It's just looking at it a different way. You can't see the graph. You see the table instead. Okay, so it says write an equation that expresses the relationship shown in the table. By the way, remember that the first name, which is the letter M, is actually slope, and that the second name, which is the y-intercept, which is b, is what we just talked about on this first worksheet. All right, so I'm going to come over here, and I actually have to create two text boxes. I've got to create one where I'm going to write the slope and the y-intercept. And I'm also going to come over here, and I'm going to make one where I can write, oh, I don't have to. What am I doing? Okay, so now I'm going to grab my drawing tool, and I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to do my side caret so that I can find my slope. So this is the exact same thing that we were just doing. All right. I'm going to move this guy a little bit, I think, because I got to squeeze in here. 5 minus 2 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. So my slope is 3 over 1, or just 3. Okay, now check for your y-intercept. Do you have a 0 in that in that x column? You sure do, don't you? Oh, I'm going to stretch this out a little here. Oh, well, okay. I guess we're going to do it this way this time, you guys. Oh, goodness sakes. Okay, here's what we're going to do. Okay, we're going to erase this, and we're going to erase this. We're going to erase that, and we're going to erase that. And we're going to try and circle it again, but it's not going to go well. There we go. Okay, so our y-intercept is -1. So we've got all the pieces. Now I'm going to come down here to the equation line, and I'm going to write the whole name. Y equals 3x minus 1. Don't forget to put that x attached to your slope so that you know that's the first name. Just so you know, you can also write y equals 3x plus -1. Either of those is okay with me. All right. I'll do one more again with you because I think it's pretty straightforward. Oh, you know what I'm going to do, though? I'm going to do number 3. You know why I'm going to do number 3? Yeah, because the table's sideways. Do we like the table sideways? Never, ever, 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 ever. So I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to give me a place to report my answers. And then I'm going to come over here. I'm going to make another text box where I can turn the table sideways. Oops. Wait, come back for my text box. Okay, so we're going to do X on this side, Y on this side. Now that I have a text box, I can draw the lines in here. Oopsies. Sorry, you guys. You'll forgive me. I know you will. Okay. So now I'm going to go 0. When X is 0, the Y is -3. When X is 1, the Y is -2. When X is 2, the Y is -1. And when X is 3, the Y is 0. Okay, so now we'll grab our drawing tool, and we will make our carets with whatever points we want to do. I'm going to do those two, and I'm going to do those two. So I'm going to come over here and say -2 minus -3 equals 1. I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to say 1 minus 0 equals 1. Then I'm going to come over here and say my fraction is 1 over 1, or 1. My y-intercept, do I have a 0 in that x column? I sure do, I think. Instead of circling, I'm going to do this time for you. Here it is, right there. So I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to write down -3. And then I'm going to come over here with a text box, and I'm going to write my final answer. Y equals 1x minus 3. Or you can write y equals x minus 3. Or you can write y equals 1x plus negative 3. You guys know what you can do there, okay? So you're going to do 2. You're on number 4, you're going to pick which one is the right table that matches that equation, okay? And then you got a whole bunch of review questions. All right, you guys, you have plenty of work to do. I will see you on Friday. Please be on your best behavior. Bye, guys.